You ever attended a wedding, concert, or corporate event and wondered who planned everything so perfectly? Behind every successful event, there is a skilled event management professional. Today, let's explore careers in event management in 2026. Hello, everyone. This is Priyanka B from Career Guidance India YouTube channel, and today we are going to explore a dynamic and creative career field, event management. This field is not just about decoration or planning, it is about organizing the experiences, managing people, handling the pressure, creating the memorable moments. So let's understand this step by step. So, what is event management? It involves planning, organizing, and executing events such as weddings, corporate events, concerts and shows, exhibitions, social and cultural events. It combines creativity, management, communication, and coordination. So, what are all the major career roles in in event management? So, first one, event planner. So, event planners plan the entire event, coordinate with vendors, manage the budgets, and ensure everything that runs smoothly. So, they are responsible for the overall success of an event. Second one, event designer. So, they focus on decoration, theme design, visual setup, and stage and ambience. They make events visually attractive and unique. Third one, event marketing and promotion manager. They promote events through social media campaigns, advertisements, and branding strategies. They ensure maximum audience reach. Fourth one, stage and production manager. They handle sound systems, lighting, stage setup, and technical execution. They ensure the event whether it runs smoothly without any technical issues. Fifth one, wedding planner. So, wedding planners manage the venue, decoration, catering, and guest coordination. This is one of the most popular and high demand roles in India. Students can enter this field through BBA in event management, diploma in event management, mass communication, hospitality management, or you can even start through internships, practical experience, or freelancing. So, here skills required are communication, time management, problem solving, and creativity. The demand for event management professionals is increasing because wedding industry is growing rapidly, corporate events are increasing, entertainment industry is expanding, social events and celebrations are rising, brands are investing in event marketing. In 2026 and beyond, destination weddings, corporate branding events, digital and hybrid events will create strong opportunities in event management. Professionals can grow into event manager, production head, wedding planner specialist, or even company owner. So, income depends on experience, network, and event skill. Entrepreneurship opportunities are very strong in this field. So, choose event management if you enjoy organizing and planning, if you are creative, if you can able to handle the pressure, if you like interacting with people, or if you want a dynamic career. So, here, reality is working hours can be long and irregular. Also, it requires strong coordination skills. Initial stage may involve low pay, and success depends here based on experience and network. Event management is all about creating experiences that people remember for a lifetime. In 2026 and beyond, with the growth of celebrations, corporate events, and entertainment, this field will continue to expand. If you are creative, energetic, and organized, this career is worth exploring. If you want to explore more creative and future ready career options, subscribe to Career Guidance India by Priyanka B. If you feel confused about your career choices, you can find my career guidance form link in the description. Let's move forward with clarity today. and confidence tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video.